Hi everyone, the second video is filling the cells automatically in Excel. That saves time. Now there's this cell with a formula, sum formula here. It sums up these two cells, and if you click the cell and on the right hand corner, if you take your cursor here, it changes to a cross, and you click it and drag down. It will fill the cells below with the formula, and it changes the range as well. In this formula, it sums up the cells on the left side of the cell. And this one is also available. It is the sum of these two cells, and again you pick the right hand corner and drag it down, and Excel automatically fills the formula for you. Now you can do it to the right side of the cell as well, or any direction. And this cell is the sum of the cells above, and if you pick and drag the cursor, you will copy the formula for all the columns to the right of the cell. You can also fill the text like this, or fruit, or anything, and more importantly, you can fill the series quickly. For example, the months. Here is January. There is default series in Excel, including months. If you select the bottom of the right bottom of the cell and drag the cursor, it will fill automatically as February and March. And it's also available with a text and a number. If you select and drag down, it will increment the week number by 1, or here is the quarter by 1. You can also change the fill options after filling by selecting this icon. You can only copy cells like this. It will only be the same cells everywhere. Or fill formatting of the cell, but not the values or formulas. Or fill without formatting, because this you don't want to copy the format. And these are the options. Now it will fill according to the intervals. Here 15, then 30, and it will be increment the values by 15, as you can see. If you change the number, for example, to 1 and 1.8 and select it, it will increment it but by 0.8, like this. Or you can try with the days of the week, like Monday and then Wednesday. It will increment it by 2 days, Friday and then Sunday, as you can see. And this is the end of the automatic fill option in Excel. Thank you for listening.